who wants to learn how to make my extra crispy, delicious chicken nuggets by Risa. I'll share my recipe soon. Don't forget, check out all my other recipes on YouTube, Risa Weiner YouTube. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's me, Risa. I hope you're doing well. Before I start my video, I've started my video. Before I show you my recipe, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, share my channel. I have lots of recipes, grocery shopping tips, strategies to help you on your weight loss journey. So what are we making today? Delicious chicken nuggets that are healthy, crispy, and super yummy. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so of course we're going to need the star of the show, which is the chicken, and I just cut it into chunks. There were just two medium-sized pieces. You can use as many as you want depending on how many people you're feeding. And I like using this delicious Japanese style panko crumbs. They're bread crumbs, okay? And they're the extra crispy coating, okay? For whatever you want, but especially for these nuggets. Now, the one thing I like to do first is I like to add some garlic powder, which I'm just going to sprinkle on. And I like to just rub it in with my hands. I usually marinate this in advance, and you can do that. I'll wipe my hands. And then I like to use some onion powder. Okay, so we're going to just sprinkle that on just all over the chicken, and again rub it in. Okay, again I like to just use my hands, and you can do this in advance. I'm going to put on some smoked paprika. Okay, just again all over, rub it in. A pinch of salt that I just keep in a container, just a little bit. If it comes out, I don't want too much, just a wee bit. And we're going to rub that all in, okay? Just like that. Wipe my hands. I'm going to have to wipe these containers off. And you can use either Italian seasoning or a little bit of oregano. I'm using some oregano right now. Okay, so far, so good. Okay, so now I'm going to add some Frank's Red Hot Sauce to coat these babies, okay? And they're going to make it, it's going to make it really super delicious, because I love red hot sauce, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and it'll give that zip to the chicken, okay? So just add that on, and again, I would marinate this in advance because then it soaks into the chicken for extra flavor. Next, I've added to a plate the panko crumbs, but you know me, I like lots of flavor. So what are we going to do to zip it up? Add some garlic powder. Again, I just sprinkle it on. Garlic powder, some of this onion powder. I buy the big containers at Costco, and some oregano. Okay, and you can take a fork, or you can just take your hands like me and mix it all together. All right, easy peasy. The next step is to simply take your chicken pieces and coat them with your panko. I'm also going to spray my pan. I'm going to put it in the air fryer. You can use olive oil, you can use whatever spray. This is avocado oil spray. And then once you coat the whole thing, I like to roll it all in so I get every side. And then you're going to just add them to your air fryer. Okay, so I've added all the chicken just lightly coated with the panko, with all the spices. You know, it's versatile. You can add what you want. And then I like to just spray it gently, again, each one, with some more of my avocado spray. So it'll be really crispy. I buy 2 of them. You get 2 big, huge bottles at Costco, best price in town. And now we're gonna bake it probably about 10 minutes each side because we want to get them fully cooked. And you can check depending on how you cook them. Of course, you can cook them in your oven, bake them in the oven on convection or regular. Again, like I would say about 400, 10 minutes-ish each side, and then we'll see how they come out. Okay, so the bell just rang. Let's open it up and check these babies out. Ooh, they look beautiful. So now we simply just turn them over, okay? And all I'm gonna do now is add a little bit more of my avocado spray and then cook them for another 10 minutes. Oops, I missed one. Okay, there. I think I missed 2. There. All right. Now we're just, oh, I missed one in the back. I'm rushing. All right, I'm excited for dinner. Okay, so just simply spray them again. Put them back in. Okay. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And just want to show you that I also made some nice asparagus from Costco, of course. Hey guys, so I'm back. My husband comes in to the kitchen and he notices these crispy nuggets and he thought they were the ones that I bought from Costco. And I said, nope, they're the extra crispy ones that I like to make. And he forgot all about them. So let's take a look at how they came out. Okay, so here they are. Don't they look beautiful? I actually didn't keep them in for the full time, actually. So you can just check them midway. Everybody's, you know, ovens, air fryers are different. So you just have to check. I just take a knife and cut through to see if it's fully cooked because they're thick, all right? And I'm just going to add them, take them with a tongs and put them on my plate. I'm not eating all of them. I have enough to share or have some for tomorrow. So probably about 4 thick ones are plenty. And, oh, my husband's stuff is ready. Timer went off. So I just want to show you that I'm going to have this delicious meal with asparagus. I love adding some Frank's hot sauce with it to dip. I heat it up. I also love, for a treat, some chunky blue cheese dressing or some green goddess, but I also have different dressings on my YouTube channel that you can check out, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, share, tell me what you think. You can make it the way I made it, or you can make it the way you want to make it with other ingredients, other spices, okay? And then just keep them in your fridge or freezer in a baggie or a sealed container, and then you can pop them back in the air fryer or your oven to crisp them right up, okay? Enjoy. So Brian's trying one of my new crispy chicken nuggets.
So good.
Yeah?
Oh my God, really, really kind of delicious.
The best ones you've ever had?
Yes.
Okay. So should people go to my YouTube channel and check it out?
Just for this alone.
Okay. Thanks, Bri.
Okay.